Are you having problems with the network error on your Shein app and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had the exact same issue before, and I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to fix it quite quickly. So what you're going to do firstly is to just close your Shein app, and instead you're going to go into your settings app. So open up your settings app, and now you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see. So on this page, just scroll down and then click where it says general. So click on general in here, scroll down a little bit again and click on storage, as you can see. And now on this page, we're just going to scroll down until we can find the Shein app. So I'm just going to keep scrolling down in here until I can find the app. I think it's somewhere down here if I'm not mistaken. Oh, here it is. So we're going to click on the Shein app, and now what you're going to do, this is by the way the most important of all of the steps. This is the most important. We're going to click on upload app, and then once again click on upload app, and here just wait a couple of seconds and click on the blue button here once again, because as you can see it says like this now loading, and that means that your Shein app is currently being automatically updated to the absolute latest version. So you need to actually update your Shein app to the latest version, and then you can go back and try again. So I did this myself, and after that it worked for me, so I hope that this will be able to fix it for you. If it still is not working for some reason, what you can try to do is to just swipe like this on your phone and then activate the airplane mode on your phone, and then just quickly disable it, because you will get like a little bit better connection than you had before. If you're using Wi-Fi or mobile data, it doesn't really matter, but you're going to get like slightly better connection, at least in the first minutes. So now go back into your Shein app, and hopefully this can also fix this issue for you.